Now, we are going to look at the nature of sulphur dioxide. Yes, sulphur dioxide or sulphur oxide. We are going to look at sulphur oxide. And sulphur forms two main oxides. Sulphur forms two main oxides. One is sulphur dioxide, another one is sulphur trioxide. Sulphur dioxide and sulphur trioxide. And sulphur oxide are acidic oxide. Sulphur oxide are acidic oxide. They dissolve in water to form acid. To form what? Acid. They dissolve in water to form acid. And the properties of sulphur dioxide or sulphur oxide, properties of sulphur oxide, one is that they are not metals.
Yes.
They are not metals. And they turn moist blue litmus paper red. They turn moist blue litmus paper red. Now, see what we're going to do. We're going to confirm it.
Okay.
Use that beaker and fetch water. Use the beaker and fetch the water. Just fetch water. Fetch water. It's okay. Can I know this, Yaban? It's okay. Now open the sulphur oxide and put inside. 3. It's okay. Don't put it again. Stir it. Stir it. 1. Stir it. Stir it well. Stir it well. Well. Stir it well. Turn on here. Continue turning it. Turn it well. Smack. I want to turn the body of that thing. Hey. Stir it well. Fine. Take the blue litmus paper. Take blue litmus paper 1. Go and turn it well. 1 blue litmus paper. 1 blue litmus paper. Be careful with that one now. This one is acidic. 1 blue litmus paper. Take 1. Now dip it inside that thing and see what will happen. Deep. Don't put all inside. Just deep. Make sure that thing touches that thing. Now bring it out and wash it. It changed to what? Red. It turns to red. Mix that in very well. You didn't turn that in very well. Let me see your one. Is it not this now?